If you've been thinking about switching to Xero for your business accounting, now is the time. Right now, you can get Xero for 90% off for your first 6 months. That means plans starting from just $7.50 per month, saving you up to $702. But this deal won't last forever. Let me show you exactly how to claim it. Why Xero is worth it. Xero is trusted by millions of small businesses worldwide for good reason. You get unlimited invoices and quotes, no limits, no caps, send as many as you need. Automatic bank feeds connect directly to your bank account. Transactions flow in automatically and categorize themselves. No more manual data entry. Beautiful reporting. See your cash flow, profit and loss, and financial health at a glance. Unlimited users on all plans. Your accountant, bookkeeper, or business partner can access everything without paying extra. And it works on desktop, mobile, and tablet. Manage your finances from anywhere. With this 90% off deal, you're saving hundreds of dollars over the first 6 months while getting full access to all these features. The discount details. Here's exactly how to get this deal. Step 1, click the special partner link in the description below. The 90% discount applies automatically, no code needed. Look for the button that says Get 90% off for 6 months and click it. Step 2, create your account. Enter your email, create a password, and add your basic business information. Step 3, choose your plan. You'll see 3 options. Grow plan, usually $75 per month, now just $7.50, save $405 over 6 months. Comprehensive plan, usually $100 per month, now $10, save $540 over 6 months. Ultimate 10 plan, usually $130 per month, now $13, save $702 over 6 months. Step 4, verify your email by clicking the activation link they send you. Step 5, add your payment details to activate the discount. Don't worry, you can cancel anytime before renewal. That's it. 5 simple steps and you're in. Look, if you're currently using spreadsheets, paying too much for other accounting software, or just tired of clunky tools that don't work the way you work, this is your chance. For as little as $7.50 per month, you can have professional accounting software that saves you hours every week. And you'll save up to $702 over the first 6 months. Click the partner link in the description right now. Follow the 5 simple steps I just showed you. The discount applies automatically, no code needed. Don't wait. This offer could end at any time, and you don't want to miss out on saving hundreds of dollars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.